Hi, Jenny here. My daughter just got back from studying a semester over in South Korea, and she had a lot of sweet potato food items over there that she really enjoyed. So today, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to make some sweet potato fries using the air fryer. So let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 medium sweet potatoes, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. First, we are going to peel our potatoes. Next, we are going to cut the potatoes into about 1/4 by 1/4 inch strips. So this is about the size that you want your potatoes to be. And then we can just toss them all in the bowl, and then we will toss them with our seasoning. We will now add all the seasonings in our bowl. So we needed that 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 3/4 of the garlic salt, 1/4 of paprika, and 1/8 of black pepper. Okay, I went ahead and preheated the air fryer at 400 degrees for 3 minutes. So now, in our tray, we just want to lay the sweet potato fries in here in a single layer. Alright, so you're going to want to cook these in a couple different batches because, again, you really only want them in a single layer so that the air can get around them and actually cook them. We will cook them for 12 minutes, shaking them halfway through at that 6-minute mark. So you can shake them or you can turn them so, again, they get cooked all the way through. So temperature, 400 and 12. Alright, we are at that 6-minute mark, so I'll take them out. See, they're starting to cook up a little bit. Give them a shake. And we'll get them going again. I'm going to check them at the 10-minute mark because, yeah, they were starting to get brown before, so they are done. So we'll empty these out into a bowl, put another layer on here, start them up again, and I guess we'll go for more of a 10-minute mark than 12. Alright, that's a little bit better. That's at 8 minutes. So I either can try 6 minutes or I'll try lowering my temperature. Alright, there we have 8 minutes, 390 degrees. Put them on a cooling rack. So the sweet potato fries are done. They turned out a little bit darker than I expected, which as I was making my batches, I kind of realized that it seems this air fryer runs a little bit warmer. So something just to pay attention to of if you have an air fryer and kind of how it cooks. So I've only made a few things in this air fryer so far, and as I was going in these, it dawned on me, oh yeah, this seems to run a little warmer. So I did turn down the temperature and I decreased the cooking time. But I think this should be fine. Let's taste one and see how it is. Not bad. Tastes like a sweet potato. It's not very salty. I thought even with the amount of spices that we put in that was not a lot, but I thought it would be just right for the amount of potatoes that were in there. So I figured this would taste a lot saltier. Does not. But it tastes good. Doesn't taste burnt or anything, so that's good too. Tastes like a sweet potato fry. Anyways, I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you use your air fryer and what you use it for. Have you cooked sweet potato fries before? I'm going to go enjoy more of my snack. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.